Today we will discuss about a special type of motion which is projectile motion. Basically, it is a two-dimensional motion. So first of all, what is projectile motion? It is a two-dimensional motion under constant acceleration due to gravity. So let's discuss its first case, which is downward motion. Here is a building at a certain height and a ball is being thrown with an initial push towards the ground. You can see in the animation that a ball is being thrown with an initial velocity whose vertical component is 0 and it is coming downward with some increasing velocity due to gravity. And just before it will hit the ground, its velocity becomes maximum, whereas the x component of the velocity will remain same. I am giving you some extra information, that is, here it is the vertical direction along y-axis and here it is the horizontal direction along x-axis. Now draw this graph within the building. You can see the building is along y-axis and the ground is along x-axis and the ball is being thrown from the y-axis towards the x-axis. So it is a proof that projectile motion is a two-dimensional motion. As you can see, the length of the vectors of the velocity is increasing, which shows that the vertical component of the velocity is increasing, whereas the x component of the velocity remaining the same because there is no force in the x direction. Today we will in downward motion means that in downward motion the initial velocity is very slow at the start, but just the initial velocity increase with the passage of time because the gravitational force attract the ball, so that Fy is equals to Fg, where Fg is equals to gravitational force and Ay is equals to g, which is the gravitational acceleration, and there is no acceleration in x-axis because its direction is not changing and there is no external force acting on the ball from the x-axis. So we consider that the Ax is equals to 0, means the acceleration along x-axis is equals to 0. According to the equations of motion, we have S is equals to Vt. This is to find the horizontal distance where S is equals to x and V is equals to Vi cos of theta, and T is equals to time taken. So that equation V will become x is equals to Vi cos of theta into T. Ax is equals to 0, Ay is equals to g.